still pretty. There's the dogs.
Oh, is it? Okay. Take it.
This is chicken soup.
Yep.
Hold him now. Okay, I'll hold him.
Is he gonna fly?
No,
Yeah.
he can, but I'll get hold of him.
Oh.
Put the box in.
You're my good friend, little chicken.
Don't make me laugh, Grandma. I'm trying to tell the camera.
Talk to him, Mama.
Are you gonna like me?
Let go of me. You know what this reminds me, Mama?
Mama, that's like you love it. You love
Mama.
it on the way out.
Mama, this reminds me of the time that you give Shirley that fake man.
You like me already, don't you?
I'd act that way too if you had me by the nose.
Really? See, she's not a bit scared of me. Well, I don't know why. You're holding her feet. She can't move a muscle. She really is calm. Because she loves Grandma.
I told her that after a couple of years we'd just replace it with a stuffed one and she'll never know what to do.
You're going to be a nice chicken, aren't you?
Mama, look here.
I can't wait to tell that you got a chicken for your birthday. I don't know.
Look at how she holds him.
I'm going to tell you like that's good. You
I told
think
Stand like this, Mama.
Christy said you don't have to bother about ever getting me a chicken.
she already told me she was so
Why,
quiet.
yeah. I like you.
It's something, it's the inflection in your voice.
Hey,
He still hadn't got enough there.
Andrew Lee.
Yeah, we'll let it be.
Whoa, almost went in.
You can sit down right there.
You should
drop it.
fly, all right.
You're not
Little
chicken.
fly.
He's gonna get that on the
Fly.
floor now.
What do
You
you
probably
think
have
of
to,
her?
probably
sees
have to
that
clip
down
his
there.
wings, Mom.
Will it lay eggs?
Well, I guess
Mom.
I hurt him.
Mom.
It's a hen.
Mom, is he gonna lay
He
eggs?
likes it, a male or female? Oh, the males don't have this on the head.
Did you poke him?
What's
that her?
That's what I said. Did you poke her?
Isn't it pretty?
Harold, can you give us your comments on your mom getting a chicken for her birthday?
I don't believe it. Beats all I ever saw.
Ooh, look at the blue.
Can you imagine a woman wanting a chicken?
Sound like a
Well,
foul trick.
I wanted a chicken. I got one.
Johnny, move that
knows
lid
I'm
just a
gonna be a
minute.
good mother.
Thank you.
Bring down on the table.
Yeah, put him down, Mama.
Not even much.
No, don't let him loose. Let go of his
Right
wings.
there. Sit down right there. I wish she'd lay right now, just for fun.
Well, Caroline.
She don't have anything to lay.
Oh, I meant to tell those Australians that gorilla had the baby.
Small.
Oh, you're pretty.
You have to have a rooster around for them to lay, don't you?
Looks at it.
Pretty chicken.
No?
Just so the fertilizer.
Could we
Grandma's
sell
a
this to
fertilizer.
the
Oh,
videos?
his skin laid over there.
You think this could
Oh,
make
You can make $10,000. And then
Harold.
go to.
Yeah, that guy over there started picking rashes, put them in a cage,
Oh,
chicken down
oh,
long.
I know.
He
That's
said-
what you said.
My mom goes, will they even eat the rashes? The guy goes, yeah, we'll throw our scraps off the table and stuff. They'll eat anything.
Mama, that's their
Huh.
scratch in the sack. They got you.
What's somebody cake?
Mama, did you hear?
Mama, Andrew wants to see. Here, Trish. Mama needs it.
She's getting it soft for it.
Nice. You could have some food.
Here, have a drink.
This video's going to be a laugh to look at. I can't hold the camera still.
You're not scared, are you? That's some food.
Yeah, you can have them.
That's the one.
She just
Look
had
at
4
her.
left in there.
First
She
time.
was
Give her yours too,
We've got some more in there, aren't there, Brian? There's 2 more in there, aren't there?
That's one small
I
one.
told you he don't care about me.
Brian, aren't there 2 more in there?
I didn't think she'd eat more than that.
Yeah, good picture of him.
Oh, now she's scratching. There she's
She's
eating.
eating.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you like that?
Fred, do you have any appropriate comments on the chicken?
When do we cook it?
Fried chicken.
Grandma, does this chicken have a name yet?
Oh, called Sweetie Pie.
Sweetie Pie the chicken.
Sweetie
I thought that was
Pie.
Brian's chicken.
Oh, mine's Fred.
She calls him Sweetie Pie.
She calls it whatever she wants.
Sweetie Pie the second.
She laughed.
Sweetie Pie Junior.
What you want, Sweetie Pie? She's hungry. How's that feel? You want that? Get out.
Get her the other phone.
Who is it? Oh, don't cry.
Open and start yelling at us when the sun comes in the morning.
Look here. Okay.
Mother. There's Hazel.
Oh, hey.
How can you handle Lucille?
You want to see my chicken?
Well, it's
Well, thank you. Oh, they got me.
Come up here.
Fanny Hen.
She's sitting on the table eating.
On the right table.
Daniel, you can't make it.
Hey, is she eating or being eaten?
Yeah, yeah. She's so pretty.
Is she eating or being eaten?
Did you want some cake?
It's good.
Don't you go out on the other side? Get here, you can't go through.
Like those cartoons. They're looking all kind of cartoons and they'll be.
Maybe like that.
That all right?
What are you eating?
You're eating cake?
I have to hold you upside down then, if you don't mind. Just turn you upside down when you don't mind. Look, see, you're being naughty. She's being naughty. Now you look at, you stand up there and look nice. Aww. Isn't that pretty? Aww. It might go away. There's a nice chicken there.
Come back.